everyone, today we're going to make this healthy and colorful appetizer. In Laos, they call this Phan Xin. That means you have like meat and vegetable, herbs, and wrap it together into the lettuce and then dip into the dipping sauce and enjoy as appetizer or snack when you have guests over or friend, family come over, alright? I am using 2 chicken breasts here. I will thinly slice them up. That will be easier when you consume later, or you can use any ground meat. That is perfectly fine. And as for the ingredient, I will list them in the description box below. You can check that out. This appetizer is very simple to make and it's so delicious. So now we'll season the meat. I'm using the Goya seasoning mix, 1 small package, as this will enhance the color and the flavor as well. Black pepper to taste, onion powder, a little bit of salt, a bit of oil to make the chicken tender and juicy. We'll mix that together for about a minute or so. You can season the way you like your meat to taste, okay? You don't have to season exactly how I did in here. Today I will cook my chicken in my Ninja Foodi Pro pressure cooker. You can cook them on the skillet or stir fry them. That is perfectly fine. When I made this dish, I remember when I was young and I live in my native country, I love to eat this dish. They are so appetizing and so healthy for you. You can just grab any fresh vegetable or any herbs, any meat, or if you have steamed or grilled fish, that even better. If you use the fish instead, they're called pan pa. Pa means fish in Laos, or pla mean fish in Thai. So I will come show you next time with the fish dish, alright? It brings so much memory in the past. Today I just want to share with you on how I made it. The timing that I cook my chicken today is I set up 5 minutes first, and then after 5 minutes I will stir it one more time, then set it another 5 minutes to cook. After that, I will stir one last time, then cook for another 5 minutes. So the total is 15 minutes in all, okay? Now it's done cooking, okay? So I will take it out. Look at how beautiful that color is. And the smell is amazing. So I will transfer into the plate and we'll go and serve it with other veggies and herbs and dipping sauce. Here is how we assemble all the herb and veggie and the meat together with the sauce to get ready to serve. I already prepared everything off camera, so you already know how to do that. Just cut into small pieces or like slice them up or cut it the way you like, small or big, thin or thick. It depends on individual preference. Look at that, how beautiful and colorful it is. So here I have some cucumber, some carrot, romaine lettuce, and lemongrass, roasted peanut, garlic, ginger, some sliced yellow onion, some sliced red chili, and the meat that we grill, and the sauce. If you enjoyed my video so far, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. You might be wondering how we're gonna eat with this. Well, I will show you how we eat it. I will get 1 lettuce leaf and then put each piece of the ingredient on top of it. After we get all the ingredient we like, we will drip over some sauce. And if you prefer to have some rice vermicelli noodle or a bean thread or any noodle that you like, you can also put that in there as well, alright? But today I just want to eat like low carb version, so I leave the noodle out. Just wrap it and then put it to your mouth. That's how we eat it. Wow, I can't believe it. It's so refreshing and delicious. It brings so much flavor and crunchiness, freshness from all the herb and the vegetable with the spicy sour sauce. You must try it. Until next time.